Hi folks, Luca, SharperTrades. The market continues to show bearish pressure. The 80 has been a resistance for a while, since last week Wednesday, the 50 SMA as well. So as long as price continues to remain below these two resistances, the descending trend line for 30, this is still an ugly pattern. Today also broke the 200 simple moving average, the SPY, and the Wednesday low. That's important. Any break below this descending trend line, the next support is this band right here, the 413 level, which we might reach tomorrow, and then 411. Boeing, this one is a short idea. Reported earning, open higher, close lower. So that's a bearish engulfing. Broke below Wednesday low, that's the trigger point. If you continue to trade below that, then we're going to see the next support, 170, 160, and 153. Ugly pattern. Resistance, 80 and today high. Discover an incredible opportunity. Mastering the trading game. Triple book bundle, your pathway to trading mastery. Hi there, I'm Luca Moschini and I'm excited to share this amazing offer with you. Stick around for this irresistible deal. But first, let's see what's inside the bundle. In this bundle, you'll get 3 powerful books. Trade Like a Pro with Japanese candlesticks, master candlestick pattern for precise trading. Secrets of Trading Revealed, learn to trade with smart money, but gaining insider trading insights. And 10 most powerful and effective rules of trading. These are my golden trading principles. Get all this knowledge for just $9.99. And even if you're not into books, don't worry, I got a surprise for you. I'll throw one of my courses, one of my technical courses in this bundle. That's right, for just $9.99, you'll get the Mastering the Trading Game bundle and a course valued up to $100. Just click the link to grab the books and the course. It's a deal you can't beat. This book is a resource I'm passionate about. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link, you won't regret it. Mastering the Trading Game, your gateway to trading success. Click the link now and seize this incredible offer. Your trading journey starts here. See you inside.